We got more eBay packages. I'm gonna box them now. I got the shipping labels off. Fortunately, I got most of the tape off this box. It's a fucking mess. The box appears damaged. Hopefully, the thing in the box came in perfect condition. Got all the shipping labels off. Don't always use scissors or pocket knives, as always. I don't always need them. I need them sometimes. If the package is hard to open or I have a lot of packages. So, this box, nothing else in the box. Oh, there's just a wire. That's it. So this is a speaker. So I ordered this for $4, right? $4 without shipping fees. I am really curious on what the speaker looks like in there. I cannot see any driver at all in there. It's a sound bar thing. Center channel. Feels quite heavy. I'd be lucky if there's like multiple tiny drivers in there. I spent only $4 on this. It's a 6-inch speaker, so I'm assuming it has at least like 2 or more drivers. This box. I'm not going to open this up and show you what's inside and everything. Good to tear things down sometimes. I'm not gonna break it, I'm keeping this. Speakers are serviceable usually. When they're not, they suck. Well, quality. The way they are made. But not the sound quality is always affected. Oh my god. This is a fucking mess. But, anyways, I really wish this came in perfect condition. It is all over the fucking place. It's a cheap Chinese DVD player thing, though. Come on. This is a very bad quality portable DVD player. I don't find this acceptable at all. But I could like convert the screen, retrofit the screen and stuff. Shattered bits. Definitely not usable. Definitely not. $20 for this. What a waste. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.